3.24 A boy standing on a stationary lift open from above throws a ball upward with a maximum initial speed he can equal to 49 meter per second. How much time does the ball take to return to his hands? 2. If the lift starts moving up with a uniform speed of 5 meter per second and the boy again throws the ball with the maximum speed he can, how long does the ball take to return to his hands? So here in first part the lift is stationary, so we can say when the lift is stationary, when the case number 1, when the lift is what? Stationary. In case 1, lift is stationary. Okay, initial speed of the ball in upward direction is 49 meter per second. Okay, ball is going upward, so we will take g is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, and we can say up to maximum height. Okay, at maximum height final velocity of the ball in its upward motion is 0. Okay, so by using the first equation of kinematics, v equal to v0 plus at, v is equal to what? 0. v0 is 49, a equal to, we know that it is minus g, so minus 9.8 into t, we have to find the t. So 49 is equal to, we can say 9.8 t, so t is equal to 5 seconds. So now we know that time of ascent is equal to what? Time of descent. So time of ascent is equal to what? Time of descent. जितना टाइम अपवर्ड जाने में लगेगा उतना ही डाउनवर्ड आने में लगेगा. ठीक है, तो टोटल टाइम कितना होगा? टोटल टाइम वी कैन से 5 plus 5 10 seconds. Okay, so here when the lift is stationary, we can say total time taken by the ball to return to boy's hand is 10 seconds. In part 2, we can say when the lift moves up with a uniform speed, when the lift moves up with uniform speed, case number 2. Okay, here lift is already moving with a uniform speed and boy throws a ball with the maximum speed he can, which is 49 meter per second in upward direction, and we have to find the same question once again. We find the total time taken by the ball to return to boy's hand. So here you can see that lift is moving with uniform speed. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा लगता है, it seems like that it takes less time as compared to case 1, but here the lift is moving with uniform speed. Okay, and we can say the uniform speed of the lift does not change the relative velocity of ball with respect to boy, because the state of rest and state of uniform motion both are identical case, which we will learn in chapter number 5. So here we can say the lift is moving with uniform speed, Okay, so it doesn't change the relative velocity of ball with respect to the boy. So we can say it still remains initial velocity of boy with respect to lift, we can say it remains 49 meter per second. So total time after which the ball returned to boy's hand is 10 seconds. So total time after which the ball returns is equal to 10 seconds.